World UFO Day commemorates two separate dates. The first, on June 24th, recognizes the first widely reported UFO sighting on this same day in 1947 by aviator Kenneth Arnold. On July 2nd, the date commemorates the incident that took place in Roswell, New Mexico in the same year. Though various sightings of unidentified flying objects were reported over hundreds of years before the mid-1940s, Second World War marked the beginning of a new phase of interest. Kenneth Arnold's historic 1947 sighting, combined with a highly publicized UFO incident that took place later that summer near Roswell, New Mexico, did more than anything else to fuel this frenzy of interest in otherworldly visitors and establish an entire new subculture known as ufology. On June 24, 1947, the civilian pilot Kenneth Arnold reported seeing 9 objects, glowing bright blue-white, flying in a V formation over Washington's Mount Rainier. He estimated the objects' flight speed at 1,700 miles per hour and compared their motion to a saucer if you skip it across water. Though Arnold said he initially thought what he had seen were test flights of military aircraft, the military later said they had been conducting no test flights during the time of the incident. A prospector on Mount Adams saw the objects at around the same time as Arnold's, bolstering his story. After news of Arnold's sighting hit the media, similar sightings began to be reported in increasing numbers across the United States. Also in July 1947, a Roswell, New Mexico newspaper claimed that personnel of the nearby U.S. Army airfield had recovered a crashed flying saucer. The Army in turn explained that the crash was that of a wrecked weather balloon. In response to the increasing number of UFO sightings that followed Arnold's report, the U.S. Air Force began an investigation of these reports, called Operation Sign, in 1948. Among the initial theories of the project's participants was that the UFOs were actually types of sophisticated Soviet aircraft, although there was also a hypothesis that they might be extraterrestrial spacecraft. Regarding the June 1947 sighting over Mount Rainier, Air Force investigators deemed both Arnold and the prospector to be credible witnesses, but concluded that what they had seen was a mirage, not actual flying ships.